seaweed is usually so thick that there is very little opportunity for coral larvae to find a suitable place to settle and grow. In addition, we're exploring new ways to increase the success rate of the juvenile corals, including feeding the babies and feeding the larvae, and providing symbiotic algae at the right time of their life cycle to increase their survival and growth. I'm incredibly excited about the opportunities this new grant provides, and we look forward to increasing the scale and success of coral restoration, not only on the Great Barrier Reef, but on other reefs around the world.